Let's look at this question. Two sound waves producing the pressures P1, which is 4 times sine 400 pi t, and P2 is 3 times cosine 400 pi t. Combine on a person's aerodrome to produce the pressure P is P1 plus P2. We want to graph P, that's the sum of these two trigonometric functions, in the window size x from negative 0.01 to positive 0.01, and with the scale is 0.001 by, here is the y, from negative 20 to positive 20 with the scale 2, and use the graph to estimate values for A and K, so that A is this one, the coefficient in front of sine, and the inside is 400 pi t plus K. We want to round K to the nearest 10,000th if necessary. Okay, what does this mean? First, we know two functions add together, P1, P2, that's 4 sine 400 pi t, that's the first one. The second one is 3 cosine 400 pi t, so it's this one. How to get those two functions into one function? Then we have to recall the formula here. Recall sine is alpha, sine alpha plus beta is sine cosine cosine sine. Here we have a sine, we have a whole cosine. How to make this form into this form? Look, if we take 5 out, there is no 5 here, no 5 here. Then you know you need to put a denominator down below 4. Because 5 times 5, they cancel each other. This 5 is down a denominator. So you have a 4 times sine 400 pi t. It goes back. We make 5 out, and then here, downstairs, you should have a 5 below 3. Okay, 5 as a denominator. So it looks like then you have a sine 400 pi t times 4 over 5, 4 over 5, plus cosine 400 pi t times 3 over 5. So it sounds like here we have a sine, cosine, and here is sine, here is cosine comes out. If here is cosine, then this place should be sine. Is that possible? Look, it is possible. You see right here, we have a cosine theta is 4 over 5 here. Then this opposite side must be 3. Because you know 3 squared plus 4 squared is 25, which is 5 squared. So then this place, 3 over 5, does come to be what? Sine theta. So this place is actually sine theta. 4 over 5 is actually cosine theta. So you do have a sine, cosine, and a cosine sine. Put this right here, put cosine right here. Then the formula can be written as 5 times sine the first angle, which is 400 pi t, plus second angle is theta. we do not know how much the theta is. But we know if cosine theta is 4 over 5, we can do is cosine inverse 4 over 5 will be theta. That's 0.645, 0.6435. You see, here is our calculator. How you are going to do that? Second, quit. You do cosine, not cosine. You do what? Second, cosine inverse. And then is 4 over 5. So you put 4 divided by 5. You can hit enter, which is 0.6435. That's in radians. So this angle is 0.6435. That's this angle. Here is tenth. Here is hundredth. 4. Here is thousandth. Here is 10,000th. So actually it's fourth digit. So this would be our choice. Okay, and 5 is actually comes from here. That's amplitude. Okay, right here. Right here. So basically we know A is 5, K is this much in radians. You want to make sure that when you do this, your degree here, your angle is in radian mode, 4 over 5. Here you want to do in radian mode, not in degree mode. If you do in degree mode, you may not get it. Okay, this is not the graphing way. The question here is asking you to do the graphing way. So let's see how to do the graph. You have a function here is 4 sine 400 pi x. So that's the first one. The second one is plus 3 cosine 400 pi x. 3 cosine 400 pi t, but that's not a problem. Here is t, here you use x. That's fine, not a problem. Okay, and then you want to set up your window. The window is right here. X is from negative 0.01, is the first one, and that's the minimum. Maximum is 0.01, that's the one here. The scale is 0.001. For y, you have a negative 20, and here is positive 20, and the scale is 2. Okay, that's what it means right here. So when you do the graph, that's basically you can see the amplitude is 5. So A is easy to see, easy to see. But for K, it's hard. Again, how to get K? Using cosine inverse 4 over 5. You may use sine inverse 3 or 5, but that's fine. You'll get the same answer. Okay, see here you have a alpha sine inverse, okay, and then 3 divided by 5. You'll get the same angle. Okay, so that's it, and I'll see you next time.